My name's Brendan Lee. I'm the CEO and founder of Elas. Elas is a company that provides blockchain platform design services. So we have a full system design process that we take our customers through that really looks at what they're trying to build and then trying to maximize the benefit of using the BSV blockchain in that particular application. And then we build it. Long view, 20 years away, it will be impossible for any company to do anything that is not somehow being captured on the blockchain. So, when they process a payment, it's likely that that payment will be processed via blockchain. When they buy goods and products, it's likely that those will be tracked on the blockchain, that the invoices that they receive will be issued on the blockchain. And it might be that they don't directly create blockchain records or anything like that, but the companies with whom they deal to purchase their feed materials or whatever it is that they need to build whatever they sell will be using the blockchain. So it's possible that every company won't need their own blockchain solution, but it will be very difficult for them to operate without somehow leaving records on the blockchain. Scalability, I think, is number one. I look at all of the other blockchains out there, and really none of them are focused on delivering something that changes the world. And to me, being able to change the world means being able to handle a worldwide demand for transactions. So the big one for me is that BSV is laser focused on achieving the scalability needed to address that demand. Not only that, BSV is an exceptionally capable system. We have full access to the original scripting language of Bitcoin. For us as solution developers, that gives us a tremendous degree of flexibility in how we create these applications, in how we bring the solutions to life on the blockchain. For any company that's doing anything on the blockchain, if all of a sudden there is a demand spike and the price of using that system escalates, to even 1 cent per transaction, that could be devastating for that company's use case. And so really it's all about being able to give our customers some certainty about what the cost of using the blockchain will be, not just tomorrow, but for many years into the future. The fact that BSV is so laser focused on making it cheap, making it super fast and functional is, the big one for us. So we have Amla Gold. So that's a gold tokenization company. So they tokenize bullion that's stored in vaults, and then you can issue certificates against that bullion, and those certificates can be bought and sold, but they can also be used as the asset against which a cashbacked currency can be issued. And that is something that the platform does already, and something that we can demonstrate really easily. The next one is Buzzmint. Buzzmint do sort of NFTs for content delivery. So they're looking to sell digitized media content, event entry tokens, and that sort of thing. And they're sort of moving as well into more like certificate issuance and even tokens for capital markets like carbon certificates and things like that. So pretty exciting moves for those guys. Then we have Manufact, which is about tracing luxury consumables. So their first product that they're looking at is boxes of cigars. And the fourth one is Tokenovate. So Tokenovate are a derivatives trading company, and we just put the first 4 derivative trades on the blockchain using smart contracts that we developed in-house at Elas for them. So yeah, 4 companies doing 4 very different things, 4 working platforms that all use BSV, as much as possible to deliver a really fantastic user experience. Since Bitcoin came out, I think there's not really been a lot of work on creating an environment that makes it easy to build in Bitcoin script. And so over the last couple of months, I've actually developed my own system for doing this, and people laugh, but it's completely built in Excel spreadsheets. And because the nature of Bitcoin script is that really you're just stringing hexadecimal text together, and so it doesn't need to be super complicated, but it's something that I think, really the BA and N-Chain have neglected to look at, and I know they have done some work on it, but nothing that's ever been made public. It's such an important thing that we need to be able to create these scripts with these novel functions. Anyway, so for Elas, now that we've developed our own tools and techniques in-house, that gives us a capability that I don't really think many other or even any other company in the industry has, to really leverage Bitcoin script into the smart contracts that we're developing. So especially for Tokenovate, we've created something quite novel that's taking trade requests in and producing a natural language receipt on the blockchain of what that trade is. And we're doing all of that with Bitcoin script. And it's been a pretty hard road to get that working, but immensely satisfying to see it finally in operation and creating real trades on the blockchain.